Bye, Mom. Hello everyone. Waiting to meet Shivram. I'm going to Crawford Market and I will also be going to Atria. So it's just a normal vlog kind of day. I hope you like it. Just experimenting with things right now. Hi Shivram.
Hi.
Hi Shivram.
Hi.
So tell me what kind of videos you all like. Please let me know in the comment section whether you all like vlog kind of videos, over the image consulting stuff that I'm doing, over the personal styling stuff that I'm doing, over the makeup stuff I'm doing. अगर आप मुझे कुछ idea दोगे, only then I will get to know what kind of content are you all actually enjoying on the channel. Shivram, tell me what kind of content do you like to watch on my YouTube channel?
The one which you have not yet shown.
Like what? ये कौन सा क्वेश्चन का आंसर है? This is लाजवाब आंसर.
इधर लेके आई
मनीष मार्केट किधर है?
जो अभी ब्रिज के नीचे था ना.
तो ना क्रॉफर्ड मार्केट से मनीष मार्केट जाना था, बट नाउ वी आर एंडिंग अप गोइंग टू फोर्ट. एंड व्हाई आर वी गोइंग टू फोर्ट शिवराम?
आप बता, तुमको कुछ पैसे खर्च करने?
मेरे को पैसे नहीं खर्च करना है, मुझे गिम्बल खरीदना है. ऑनलाइन इज रियली एक्सपेंसिव. तो प्लीज यार सब्सक्राइब कर दो, लाइक कर दो, प्लीज व्यूज बढ़ा दो ताकि आई कैन अफोर्ड ऑल दीज थिंग्स to make my videos of better quality. Everybody is like यार तेरा कभी कभी वॉइस ठीक से नहीं सुनाई आता है, ये नहीं होता है, वो नहीं आता है. But genuinely I'm vlogging only through my phone, so this is the best I can give. But I'm still trying. I'm learning how to do color correction. I'm using iMovie to do all my editing. So I am also at a basic level of learning things. I'm like a beginner. And I'm not into editing, but I'm still learning as the day and time passes. So yeah, but please, like right now I feel I don't know that I should invest in a gimbal, but I definitely want to check it out because I've heard a lot about the ease of vlogging on it. Though vlogging is not my forte, I really want to check it out, and I hope, fingers crossed, I can afford it, क्योंकि I don't want to waste इतना पैसा, या मुझे गिल्टी फील नहीं होना है कि मैंने इतना पैसा वेस्ट कर दिया for buying a gimbal and then I don't use it a lot. So cost उसका हाइट, मतलब उसका जो भी इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है, it should be worth it, and it's very difficult to walk and talk. Wait, I have to show you guys something. Wait. So this is the Times of India building and my first ever internship was in this building. यहाँ पे I used to work at Femina. So kind of excited, just thought of showing you what this place is. So a little backstory. मेरा एक internship मैंने इधर किया था at Femina. And I was working under Divyak D'Souza and he was an awesome boss. I learned a lot from it. Yeah, I was an intern on many shoots and I had to leave because I had an exam coming up. I had a lot of fun, like especially first shoot के time. I'll definitely share my experience someday as to मेरा first shoot जब मैंने देखा था as an intern, how did it go, और event coordinator क्या होता है, and how actually a magazine supposed and actually how a magazine works. Anyway, I really don't know how vloggers do this. बात करना, I have been trying. Just like my first vlog, that also like a trial vlog that I'm doing. And hats off to people who vlog daily and do the editing also on a day-to-day basis. Like seriously, dude, I don't know how you guys do it. Don't we need a ticket to go on Churchgate? I mean BT station.
वीटी स्टेशन
हाँ तो वीटी स्टेशन ही है ना, उसके लिए टिकट लगेगा ना।
अंदर नहीं जाना है।
अच्छा तो हम लोग किधर से निकल के किधर निकले?
वो ब्रिज वो साइड से साइड क्रॉस किया था।
हाँ वो साइड से ये साइड क्रॉस किया। अरे 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 शिवराम ने मेरे को फुल और उल्लू बनाया। उसने बोला मनीष मार्केट जा रहे हैं और अभी हम लोग फाउंटेन के इधर ऑलमोस्ट हाई कोर्ट के इधर चल के जाना है। ये तो बस दगाबाजी है यार।
मैंने ऐसा बोला नहीं,
तूने बोला
मनीष मार्केट इसके बाद जाएंगे बोला।
मतलब वापस उतना चल के जाना पड़ेगा मनीष मार्केट। वाह, तो पहले मनीष मार्केट जाते थे फिर तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जाता था। ऐसे नहीं खाना है उसको, ऐसे खाना है। हाँ मोबाइल गिम्बल चाहिए। Gimbal is too expensive. It's almost around 4,000 to 5,000 plus का budget. And मैंने सोचा बहुत whether I should invest in a gimbal or not. I won't be vlogging on a daily basis because I don't think that is my passion. But I really need it for like Kashmir that I'm going to go again. So if anybody wants to join me in February, please let me know. DM me, text me, comment में नीचे लिखो, whatever suits you. The only thing I've done right now is gimbal नहीं लाया तो at least ये cover तो change कर दिया मैंने. I like this flap वाला cover that it protects my camera. But yeah, I don't think I should invest in gimbal. मैं इतना सोच रही थी क्योंकि मैं अभी राजस्थान में भी जाने वाली हूँ. Whether if I want to shoot there during my vacation, तो it would have been really handy क्योंकि just talking like this without any kind of support or even tripod और any kind of stand that is attached to the phone बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है पकड़ने के लिए. But if you guys really want me to vlog more often, I will definitely do it. And obviously I've just started and this is my trial vlog. तो अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो I'll definitely continue doing it. Let's see how you all like it. ओया का एक माइक भी था. I'll share the link and also the picture somewhere here. I went to buy it, पर मुझे बहुत लोगों ने बोला कि इसका डुप्लीकेट कॉपीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा आया है और फेक कॉपीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा आया है. सो आई डिड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ रिसर्च. एक बंदा दे रहा था 1500 के लिए, दूसरा दे रहा था 1000 के लिए. सो इट वॉज काइंड ऑफ डाइसी whether I should even invest in something like that. So I totally dropped the idea. So only the good thing that has happened right now is walking all the way from Crawford Market here, which increase the number of steps and hopefully burnt a few calories. Right now Shivram is buying a mobile phone. कितने का है? वीडियो निकाला चलेगा? 50-60. ठीक है दे दो 50 वाला है. ATM बैंक बड़ा वर्ली एट्रिया मॉल. फाइनली इतना पैसा खर्च करके गाड़ी में बैठ के कुछ नहीं लिया, सिर्फ 200 का मोबाइल कवर लिया क्योंकि बाद में याद आया कि कुछ जरूरत ही नहीं है किसी चीज़ों की. वाओ, व्हाट अ ग्रेट डिसीजन टेकन बाय मी. हाउ डिसअपॉइंटिंग. कुछ नहीं लिया, इतना पैसा खर्च करके टैक्सी में बैठ के. Now we are going to Atria Mall Decathlon because we will be going to Kashmir, snow season, and Shivram wants to buy a few things. I want to buy a few.
Good evening.
Good evening. I am at Decathlon and Shivram is not able to make a decision क्योंकि it's going to be really cold there. उसे फ्लीस, मैंने उसको बोला फ्लीस ला और वो जैकेट ला. But now he's really confused because he doesn't know the amount of cold that's going to be there. Trust me, I'm really depending on him. अगर वो जो भी buy करता है, I'm going to make sure that he buys it in my size also. मतलब मेरा size, उसका size मेरे को फिट हो ताकि I am saved and also for fashion reasons. So I just hope, fingers crossed, that he makes a good decision. This is one of the options. इसके अंदर fleece, this is इसके अंदर fleece है और ये है 199 and then there is this 499 which I don't know why it's so महंगा. Two colors, this color and this. Shivram, tell me which one you liked. Shivram, which one did you like? This one or this one? This one. But what if you get lost in the snow? This is not going to help you. This is going to help you.
Blue.
No.
Why will I get lost?
Maybe you would want to run away from me.
Come to Mumbai.
Come to Mumbai. ATM. हम लोग ने ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं किया. We just took some hand gloves because a lot of things ना Decathlon में they were not available only. So अगर कोई जैकेट चाहिए था जो मैंने ऑनलाइन देखा वो इधर अवेलेबल नहीं था. So फिटिंग का ऑप्शंस थोड़ा क्रेजी था. मतलब फिटिंग का ऑप्शंस भी नहीं था अवेलेबल क्योंकि वो पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट ही अवेलेबल नहीं था. सो अल्टीमेटली हमें ऑनलाइन शॉप करना पड़ने वाला है. सो या मैकडॉनल्ड्स मैं खाऊंगी स्टार्टर्स, चिकन और सूप. बाकी मेरे को कुछ नहीं है, वो मेरा डिनर रहेगा. Now we are going to Oven Fresh because Shivram wants to have broccoli soup. To whomsoever concerned, I will only be having broccoli soup and little bit of protein, that is chicken. And if you want, I can shoot it. Yeah.
Hi.
I've met Sameer. Sameer, introduce to Sameer.
Hi.
Sameer is the one who is helping me out with a lot of camera settings and video shooting and all of that. आपने उसको मेरे पहले वाले ब्लॉग में देखा होगा, which was about. Tell me, Sameer, you watch my videos.
Yeah, I do watch your videos.
Isha wala video where we went to Crawford Market and he made the background and all of that. Sameer, how long do we know each other for?
Last 1 year? 1 year more than that?
6 months.
Yeah.
6 months, but we become such good friends also besides like we collaborating and working. So if anybody wants to do any kind of shoots, अब क्या करते हो? Pre-wedding shoot, wedding shoot.
In and everything like in photography.
जोर से बात कर.
In and everything in photography.
हाँ, everything about photography.
If you needed anything like in photography, so just contact me.
And videography also he does, and he does model shoots and he does product shoots and whatever shoots are there he does it all, anything to do with camera and photo shoots. You know what, he's very pricey. आजकल शादी में ही जा रहा है, मेरा कुछ काम नहीं कर रहा है. Please, बहुत भाव खा रहा है. Guys, please tell him.
The wedding season are on. The wedding seasons are on, so we have to do it. पैसा कमाने के लिए कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा.
But he's really helpful me, and there's one more person called Vincent. So I met him through Vincent. I'm really happy to meet such good souls who really want me to grow. Whatever good I can do for them, I would always want to do it. And yeah, contact them. So this is how much we've eaten, and we're tired. तो अभी हम लोग सब घर पे जाने वाले हैं. I want to end my vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. और अगर आपको कुछ भी शेयर करना है, please feel free to connect in the comment section down below. Let me know how the vlog is. Until next time, tada!
Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon.
Thank you. Thank you.